is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one. Check this out. This is a Haichijia variety, and it features our old friend Bobby. Yep, right there. And he's, I believe, not just an actor, but a comedian as well. This one takes a little while to go, so I've been waiting. I was going to just wait till the water got boiling, but it'll take a little more than that anyway. So, some sachets and our noodle. Yeah. And an included fork. So, yeah. It is Saturday, the, 9th? Yeah, I believe it's the 9th of March, which means it's closing in on the day that I will turn another year older, which is alright, I suppose. It's the one after that. I don't know what you call that, but it's a larger number. Seems to keep getting that way. That's alright, you know, hey. Hey. The water just doesn't want to boil today. I dislike that. But it came with an included fork. Snap. Satisfaction of the snappy fork. We got a little garnish that goes on top. Other than that, we are ready to rock once this stuff is at full chewing satisfaction. I don't know what you're going to call it. I really like the packaging, except for, so these bowls, on the bottom of them, it's kind of bumpy. And there's no way to peel off the, pretty sure, there's no way, you have to like cut the bowl apart if you want to scan the sides of the bowl if you're somebody like me. And that's kind of a pain. I mean, this one technically I could just do in the pot. I should just do that, because if I do that, then I can drain it and have to rinse out the pot once that's all done. Maybe I'll just do that. I'm going to drop this in there. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. So we will get going on that right away, because then I don't have to worry about wet junk going on the scanner. And I like that. I don't like wet stuff on the scanner. But that's funny, because I found some information about this. This is a broad noodle, and it also said that it took 3 minutes, and it's like, this is definitely not a 3-minute one. On the side of the packaging it mentioned 6 to 8, so I'm doing 7. It's tricky. You really gotta watch out for stuff like that. 3 minutes for a broad noodle would be exceptionally wonderful and nice and fast, but that's just not the case here. I think part of my favorite aspects of reviewing instant noodles is the research I have to do when there are varieties that are from overseas, Chinese stuff that I can't translate super easily. Yeah, that's kind of fun. You learn little bits here and there, what to look out for and what certain characters mean. If somebody asked me, where can I go use the bathroom in Indonesian, I couldn't tell you. But there are words that I know, just like I know many, I can speak in many languages insofar as instant noodles. It's like if it's in Taiwan, I would ask for Pamian. I would introduce myself as Pamian Daren, which is the instant noodle master or whatever. My name in Taiwan is Lee Nash, because my last name is Lenish. What else? In Indonesia, I'd ask for me. In Malaysia, I'd ask for me. In Singapore, I was like, yeah, I need some me. And yeah. Anyways, enough of that. But yeah, it's Saturday, and it just continues to roll on as days do, one after the other. But yeah, this upcoming year will be the last year that I'm not 50. 50. I just kind of ignore the numbers as they go upward and just kind of keep doing what I do. I think that's probably the best bet, but I don't feel 50. I've never really kind of understood the idea of feeling an age, other than like physical aches and pains and things like that. But aside from that, no, I just don't know. I am unsure, but yeah, I'm looking forward to my birthday. Really just spending time with my family. We're hoping to go out for dim sum for my birthday. My birthday falls on a Thursday, which is kind of a pain in the butt. What I'm happy about with my birthday falling on a Thursday is that should be like the first starting off of having like decent weather, and that I'm stoked on. So my birthday, the actual day, should be like 58 degrees and sunny. I'm like, bring it. And then I think from thence forward, it's showing in the weather that it's going to be not rainy or cloudy. All the way up till then, though, yeah, it's going to be like dumping rain. So, yeah. But, yeah, my birthday's on Pi Day, which some people think is cool. I don't know. Not a big fan of math, but, you know, don't get overwhelmed by the fact that my birthday's on Pi Day, because Pi Day is that's my birthday. Don't worry about your lack of understanding of what pi is. I certainly won't. Okay. This stuff really seems to be done. But I'm going to let it sit. It's 11:15 on a Saturday. I got 2 more to do as well. And watched a good movie last night called Duel. I believe, I don't know if it's first, but one of the first Steven Spielberg films. If you can find it, it's Duel, not like two, but like a duel between 2 adversaries. It's a good movie. I liked it a lot. Very 70s, very Spielberg style. There's like parts in it and the way he did certain shots that some of the freaking shots were amazing. There's like cars going at high speed, and then it's like starts on this side and then goes around like this, and it's like, how did you pull it off? You guys didn't have drones back then. It's like really neat. And it's like right between a car and a big rig, a fuel tanker truck. So yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty crazy, but it is a duel of wits that should be seen and enjoyed. So I would recommend, if you're getting one of these bowls, generally it's not a bad idea to keep kind of stirring it. I've had tons of this kind of broad noodle stick together, and that, no bueno. Some of it's just like boil, 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 and some of it is not. Okay. We're in the home stretch. I'm stoked. I was trying to think, like, what the heck am I going to talk about? Oh. But we've got 20 seconds to go. I've got my garnish at hand. And all it is. This is supposed to be a sesame paste one, rather. So it should be pretty good. I like sesame paste noodle. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we got a drainer. Let's drain this sucker. Nice and well drained. Okay, so let's get you up close and personal for this part, because there are a lot of sachets. Oh my god. We'll go like that. Okay. So let's start here. Number 1. I think the next 2 no. The next one I'm not, but the one after that I am just gonna steep. Come on, sucker. There we go. 1. This one's thin. It's funny, it did say sesame paste, but the more I looked at this set of sachets, I don't know, that last one smelled like sesame paste. Here's our little garnish action. Oh, my nose. Then we got this one. And then we got this one, and this is a pickled something. I'm gonna guess pickled mustard. Okay, let's move this stuff out of the way. All right, here we go. I smell the pickled. I do smell the sesame aspect of it. Yeah, sesame paste is usually pretty good. It's usually a lot drier too than this. So let's give this a try. Cheers. Mmm. That's good. I like that. I like that a lot. I would like it though, but if I could find my other ones of these bowls. They're around somewhere. There's that. Add a couple. Did I make 3? I got 3. No, I'm gonna go with the scallion. Been a real battle with produce lately, folks, let me tell you. Produce I've been finding has just not been great. In fact, it's been really sad. This noodle is really good. Looks like it's windy out too. Yeah, this is a 5-star. I really like this. I could pound this right now. Absolutely. Yeah, these Haichijia varieties are really quite good. Okay, let's see. How's that looking? I think that'll work. Yeah, that looks good to me. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're gonna see will be this. This is from Weiwang of Taiwan. This is their Kung Fu Instant Oriental Noodle Soup Artificial Beef Flavor. This is an export version. And yeah, classic. I swore I reviewed this. I can't find it anywhere in my review archive. What's funny too is this used to have a little guy sitting at a little cooker making it. So weird. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Rock and roll. Have a good one. Bye-bye.